Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to fix Google Meet not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you are not able to use Google Meet on your Chromebook, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, check for Chrome OS update. For that, simply open Settings. Here click on About Chrome OS and click on Check for Updates. If there is any pending Chrome OS update, simply install it. After that, restart your device. For that, click on clock Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on power button and simply select restart. Once done, simply click on launcher and open Google Meet application and try to use it. If you're still facing the issue, then you can simply clear cookies and site data. For that, click on this three-dot icon, then click on App Info. Here click on Cookies and Site Data, then click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete all this on-device site data by clicking on Delete button. Then click on Done. Here click on Reload. After that, sign in with your Google account in order to use it. However, if you are still facing the issue, then it might be related to permission settings. For that, click on Settings. It will open the settings window from where you have to select your audio and video device. Simply select the device from the drop-down menu. Once you have provided audio and video permission, you are ready to use it. You can also enable audio and video permission from the three-dot icon. Click on App Info and here simply turn on the required permission. So that's it. This is how you can fix Google Meet not working on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.